Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to download audio on your PC from TikTok. First, you're going to have to log into TikTok on your browser. Then after you have logged in, you'll simply search for the video that you'd like to download the audio from. And you'll see the audio right as you can see right here above the video. And you'll simply select it by clicking on it. Then you can press play if you like to play the song. Then you're going to copy the link right at the top here. And after you have copied the link, you're going to use the website musical.ly.down.com. Musical.ly.down.com. And you're simply going to paste the link right here. Then press download. Then you can listen to the song again if you like. And after you have done that, you can simply press the three dots right here. Then select download. And that's it. The song would have been downloaded. So now you're free to use it whichever way you like. Hope you found this video informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.